Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, a small sparrow and an old wise crow lived on the same tree. The sparrow was curious and full of energy, while the crow was calm and very clever. One day, the sparrow came chirping excitedly to the crow. "Mr. Crow, I saw a pile of grains near the farmer's house. Let's go collect them." The crow, known for his wisdom, asked, "But did you see any traps nearby?" The sparrow shook her head. "No, but why would anyone trap us for grains?" The crow replied, "Little one, sometimes things are too good to be true. Farmers set traps to catch birds who steal their grains." Ignoring the crow's advice, the sparrow flew away to collect the grains. But as she landed and started pecking at the food, a net suddenly dropped over her, and she was trapped. She cried out, "Help! Help, Mr. Crow! I didn't listen to you, and now I'm stuck." The crow, hearing her cries, flew over and saw the poor sparrow in the net. "I warned you, didn't I?" he said gently. But he also knew he couldn't leave her there. He had a plan. The clever crow flew down and started cawing loudly to distract the farmer. Seeing the crow, the farmer thought, I can catch 2 birds today," and ran toward the crow. The crow flew higher, leading the farmer away from the net. As soon as the farmer was far enough, the crow signaled the sparrow to wriggle free from a small opening in the net. With some effort, the sparrow escaped and flew back to the tree. The sparrow thanked the crow gratefully. "Thank you, Mr. Crow. I learned my lesson. From now on, I will always listen to your wisdom." The crow nodded kindly and said, "Wisdom and patience are as important as courage, little one." And from that day on, the sparrow and the crow became the best of friends, sharing stories and helping each other stay safe. Moral: listen to those who have more experience, for their wisdom can keep you safe.
Yeah!